Hi, welcome back to Shitoku Tech. It's Sunday, April 3rd. It's the last day of Southern Arizona Rocketry's Desert Heat 2022. And if you saw my last video, you saw that on Saturday, I lost my Estes Partizon rocket and staggered around in the desert looking for it, but gave up. So it's Sunday morning, and I went through my collection of rockets and decided to go a little lighter and go with this 56mm GoPro camera carrying rocket. And Rocketry Works was right there at the launch, so I bought this 2-pack of these E30-7Ts from AeroTech. And Thrustcurve says my rocket will fly to about 900 feet and the ejection delay should be 5.9 seconds. I figured the 7-second delay would be all right. So let's go to the launch.
Okay, pad is hot, ranges go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch.
There we go. Okay, that was apogee, and you saw the ejection charge push out the recovery equipment. The parachute came out. It almost seems like that 7-second delay was still too short, even though Thrustcurve recommended 5.9-second delay. Let's enjoy the descent. This is a lot shorter flight than yesterday's flight where I lost my rocket. It was cool. While I was waiting to recover my rocket, the camera captured these two rockets taking off. That was an H motor drag race, but one of them lit up sooner than the other. And there I am picking up the rocket. Got everything back all right. So here's the view from apogee, right before the parachute came out. So this is as high as it went. Here we get to see some of the recovery harness coming out. There's the parachute. It almost looks like the rocket's tangled up in it. You can see the motor there. There's the Southern Arizona Rocketry Association family photo. We're at the Timpa site, the Tucson International Model Park, where they fly RC airplanes. Here's another sequence of the recovery harness and parachute, and you can see that smoldering wadding. It's basically fireproof toilet paper. It protects the parachute from the ejection charge. And that apogee rocket's parachute's real nice. That's where I lost my rocket, right in the middle of this screen. The rocket from yesterday. You'll want to watch that video if you haven't already. And now we're just going to watch the booster photobomb, the Southern Arizona Rocketry Association family photos. Enjoy. Well, it certainly is a beautiful day, and this is early in the morning. I was one of the first flyers that day. Okay, well, leave a comment down below on what you like about flying model rockets. Give this video a like, and before you go watch more of my flying model rocket videos, please click on subscribe. Thank you very much.